Last week, I decided to give my husband a surprise and I decided to take him out on a date, which he was clearly not aware of. And so, while taking him out, I asked him where we were going.
I have no idea.
Any guesses you want to
Anywhere bright,
know? Right? What sort of bright?
sunny bright.
Sunny bright you're expecting? It would be bright, I think so. Sunny or not, I don't know.
Should be sunny or sunny, something like that.
I was saying that at that point I was really nervous because it's not sunny nor sunset. So I was hoping that he just likes wherever I'm taking, because I know that previously he had no such experience. Actually, I also never had such experience. So let's see how it goes. Once we arrived, I was still reluctant to tell him what it was all about. So he was thinking maybe I just took him out on a stand up or a comedy show or maybe for a theater or something. Or he was guessing that we are at any couples dance. But once I told him what it was, he was kind of, I don't know, maybe stunned to speak. So this was Les Jam, which was happening in Sunburn Union, and I was really excited because I love music and I know that my partner also loves music, and it's a jamming session, live jamming sessions. There are games, there are so many people to speak to, like-minded people. So I just wanted to gift him an experience to remember. By the time we arrived, they had already started playing out games because we were late and the queue was kind of long. There were also additional cover charges which we were asked to pay. So we were kind of late. Actually, all of us were kind of late. So I won't speak much. You just feel the experience through my lens.
So we can put up to that question. What is the name of the girl who calls Saif Ali Khan's character Sameer in Goa in the movie Dil Chahta Hai? Somebody has got his hand up. Christine. Correct. Yesterday night I was preparing these questions. I asked my wife this question, and she said, "ये तो किसी को नहीं पता होगा. This is too tough. Your quiz contest is a fail." और थैंक यू फॉर सेविंग मी. आज घर जाएंगे. आई विल हैव सम थिंग्स टू से टू माय वाइफ. हम लोग खड़े क्यों हो? ओके ओके. आई थिंक इट विल रीड रिवॉर्ड्स इवेंचुअली. या माइक टू यू एंड देन प्रिटेंड कि यार बहुत मुश्किल क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया है. आई कैन डू दैट. नो 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 नो. ओह सॉरी. उधर तो मैं यू फॉर यू टू हैव फन. You can have fun in whatever way possible. If you like to dance, you can dance. If you like to find a corner, then find a corner for yourself. But just make sure you make the most of this evening, right? I will be coming back after this performance.
Engaged with the performances. Okay? Can I have some claps? Now the clap will be in this way. Clap, 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 clap. Very good.
So this game was all about guessing the song. So there would be a line which is translated from Hindi to English, and you just have to guess the song. So all of us were sitting on the floor in front. And since we also had to eat, so we just stood up and came to the food counter. So the cover charges which they took, food is included in them. So we ordered a pizza, a cheesecake, and we ate that. And I'm sorry that I do not have the video with me to put it in here, but the food was really good, to be very honest. It was already 7:45, so we decided to leave, wrap up this beautiful day, and honestly, my partner was happy. I've asked this question to him multiple times. He said that he was happy, so I'm going to take this word for him. And we had a little bit different plan, so we had to shop. So we left from there because the show was about to get, I think, till 8 or sorry, till 9 or something like that. And it was a Sunday, and we had office the other day, so we obviously had few things in mind to do. And yeah, so this was it. I hope you liked this, enjoyed this. So if you want to see more such places, do hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys soon.